the last two videos of this weld assembly. So as usual, start with saving. The folder is okay. I'll call this one link weld. And then save it. Open one of the planes. And then we can use a slot tool to draw this, which nearly the diameter is 100, and then the mid length center to center is 255. So there are two holes. Put one hole on the left, 50 mils, another hole on the right, 50 mils, and E for extrude, because our sketch is finished. And then click on the sketch, and 20 mils is the extrusion, and this drawing is done and dusted. Now we'll go for the next one.